Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. So, to enable or disable spatial audio, HD audio, we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, you can check video this channel how to enable it just for your device, after you did it, you need to go to the settings, then system, so we need to scroll down, system. Right here we have developer options. Here it is. Tap at the developer options. Now you need to scroll down and try to find HD audio, but also you can use a search and write HD right here. Here it is, we have HD audio, what located in the developer options. So we can tap at this line, or as I said, you can just scroll down and here it is. To enable HD audio, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable HD audio, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs, and by default you will use AC codec. To disable HD audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. And once you disable it, you now will use SBC audio codec. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.